This is it guys, nilabas na ni Sofern yung aluminum version nila ng Sofern SE1. Tingnan natin yung pocket light na to, let's go! So unang-una yung nagustuhan ko rito is yung gaano siya kaliit because this is designed to be worn. And this is possible kasi yung side na to ng SE1 ay magnetic so you can stick this to any metal surface or yung kanyang included na clip. I am wearing the included straps or wristband, snaps into place, tingnan nyo naman guys. Tapos maliit lang siya pero 300 lumens na, napakalakas na yan para sa ganitong size. Rechargeable via USB-C, very lightweight aluminum alloy body, tapos meron naman siyang RGB light so napapalitan mo yan ng modes. So meron siyang 4 na modes sa kanyang RGB that you can change depende na kung anong needs mo. Tapos aside sa main light niya, meron na din siyang UV light. Alright guys, sobrang ganda at sobrang gaan ng mga units na to. I really like the orange one, maganda rin yung blue, napakaangas din. Tapos if you want a more neutral or more discreet na color, they also have that nice techie silver gray. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, yung maximum na output niya is 300 lumens with a 76 meter beam distance. Quick release, clip module, tapos napakagaan lang yan, 20 grams. So ito naman yung kanyang modes, meron siyang high, medium, low, moonlight. Tapos ito naman yung figures ng kanyang UV light. This is rated at IPX5 tapos 1.5 meter impact resistance. So yung battery naman ito is built-in tapos yung kanyang tint ay nasa cool white tint, yung kanyang main light 6,000 to 6,500 Kelvin. Tapos yung maganda rito is napaka-affordable lang nito. Meron na rin siyang kasamang chain, so if you want to wear this as a necklace, you can do so. You can check out my other video of the Sofern SE1, but let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this pocket light?